Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will guide you how to get more than 100 of sOfSoundEffects sound effects in just one click using only Kinemaster app. Let's start. Open Kinemaster app, tap on New Project, and select any one ratio, and click on Next. After then add any solid color. Now click on Audio, you can see sOfSoundEffects, tap on it and click on Store option and again tap on Sound Effects. Now you can see there are lots of sound effects, and select any one of it, and simply tap on Download option. Go back and add the downloaded sound effect to the layer. Cut the remaining layer and export the project. Use this apps to convert video into audio, or else add exported project to video layer and then click on blending option and select screen. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.